Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to set up shipping on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Shopify admin panel and then go to settings, and here you'll find this option, shipping and delivery. So you have to select this option, and you'll find here general shipping rates option. So click on manage. And if you want to change your shipping from address, then you can click on show details, and you can click on manage to change your shipping from or your business location from here. But right now I'm going to creating a new shipping zone, so I'm clicking on create shipping zone. Give here a shipping zone name and select your desired countries and click on done. So here we can see I have successfully added a new shipping zone, and after adding the shipping zone you need to add your shipping rate. So click on add rate, and you can select set up your own rates option, or you can select use carrier or app to calculate rates. So I'm going to select in this first option and give here the shipping rate name and give here the shipping amount. You can add condition by clicking here, then click on done. So this was how we can add shipping on Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links and descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.